You asked, how to divide 28,812 by 204 using the long division method. 2 is too small. 28 is too small. Use 288. 288 divided by 204 equals 1. 1 times 204 equals 204. 288 minus 204 equals 84. Bring down 1, making 841. 841 divided by 204 equals 4. 4 times 204 equals 816. 841 minus 816 equals 25. Bring down 2, making 252. 252 divided by 204 equals 1. 1 times 204 equals 204. 252 minus 204 equals 48. The remainder is 48. The final result is 141 remainder 48.